Hi there and welcome back. Well, it's been a while, but first of all, Merry Christmas to all of you, happy holidays, whatever you celebrate, wherever on this planet you celebrate. Have a real good time, enjoy these days, have a good time with family and friends, and all the best to you. Yes, as I said, it's been a while and so many things have happened in the meantime. And the good news is Renovation East will be back. So this is something like a teaser. Hopefully in the next week I will restart the channel. And as I said, there are so many things to tell. There is so much footage that I have on stock. Many things have changed. Our entire life is completely different right now. And so watch out for the new episodes, and in the meantime, happy holidays and see you hopefully next week.